All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse, fast forward, stop, and play with the Roku remote. All right, let's do it. First, let's turn on the TV. I'm going to press the power button. I just pressed it and it's on. And then we got to pick something. All right, so let's go ahead. We'll navigate over to Max. All right, so I click that, navigate it over. I'm going to click on it because it's highlighted. Should open up. Give it a second or two. All right, we're getting there. Should come to the home page on Max. It's loading up. And then I'm just going to navigate down, clicking this arrow. I'm going to go to this thing here, whatever that is. I'm going to hit OK. I think we were watching this last night. It should bring me to this, this thing. And you can see I have to resume something that I was watching. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it's going to come up. And it's going to start playing. And I'm going to go ahead and mute it so we don't have to listen to it. When I do that, you'll see a mute up here. Watch. There, it's muted. Now let's go here. Let's stop it so we can see the timeline. So I click this and it stops it. Now, if I want it to go forward in the timeline, I would click this. Now, what happened is the timeline disappeared, so I had to come back and click it. Now I'm going to click it. Now you can see it's one time, right? So if I click it again, watch, it goes double time. If I click it again, it goes even faster. And then if I click it again, it goes even faster. And then I can stop it. All right? So I moved it all the way down. All right, you follow me? Now I can do the same thing with this. Watch, I'll click it once. And nothing happens. I click it once, and now we're going one time. Now if I click it again, it's going to go 2 times. If I click it again, it'll go 3, 4. That's as far as you go. Stop. So you can't do it 5 times. You can only do it 4 times. So let's go forward again. Watch. I click it once. There's 1 time. I click it twice. It goes 2, 3, 4. Now it's really moving. Then I can stop it right there. And then it's going to play because I hit the play button. And that's basically how it works. So for it to move back, you click this. You may have to click it twice because if you stop it right here, then I can click it and it should work. Watch. Yeah, it's going back. And then if I click it again, it'll stop there and it'll play forward. All right, now if I click it and stop it here, let me stop it. All right, it stopped. Nope, it's not stopped. Now it's stopped. And if I click this, it'll go forward, right? And if I click this again, it'll go even faster. But if I want to stop it, I go here. Bam. And then it comes back and it plays. And then if I want to stop it again, I go there. So that's how that works in the timeline. All right, so this is your timeline, and this is your reverse. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds. This is your play and your stop or pause, and this is your forward, and you can go 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds. And you have to play with it a little bit, but you get the hang of it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to go to reverse and fast forward and pause and play on your Roku 4K Smart TV replacement remote. Peace out.